this video I will show you how to create Telegram public channel. First you need to open up the application, then you need to tap right down on that pencil option, and when you get there you need to go for new channel right here. Then you need to add the name of the channel, for example Travis, and you can also add description if you want. If you don't want, you're gonna simply take it off as an empty file. Go on your right upper side on that tick selection, and here what is the most important, you need to make sure that it is selected by public channel. You're gonna get that link on it and then click again on the right upper side. Here when you got that link you need to say and take over a name section, for example Travis, and then click on the three dots and it says sorry, this link is already taken. Yeah, now you can add all these sites. Go on your right upper side, and now here you need to add the users in which you're gonna getting up and include into that channel. Now I will go with this one and just go to see how it looks like. Yeah, now we have created Telegram public channel.